With such a giant expo hall with thousands of suppliers and thousands of exhibitors, how in the world are you going to find them? Now, lucky for you, this is the first time we have such a large database at the Supply Finder right here, digital kiosks all over. And Sarah Yu is with me. She's with the digital team. She's going to explain more to us about it. Sarah, tell us about this.
So this kiosk is called our Supplier Finder. It's our online, well, it's an extension of our online digital directory. It's to help visitors find suppliers on site, and they can look it up by company description, by their company name, by their logo, and also by their products.
Supplier Finder is useful to us because it gives many information. Just enter the details, you'll get where and easy to navigate.
蛮好用的，因为我在里面可以输中文，也可以输英文，把产品输进去之后，就是客户在哪里，产品在哪里，一目了然，直接的就到那个地方去找就可以了。